In this episode of our Euro Chronicles, Doreen, Finley, and I take a hike up to Edelweiss to have a beer, some cake, and a sweat. Checking out the bird's eye view of this amazing mountain village of Zermatt. Join us as we show you one of the best hikes straight out of the city center.
The house is on the top.
They should call this thing Heart Attack Hill. No.
So we had a nice hike up to Edelweiss. It is a restaurant above the cross, kind of in the center of Zermatt. You just head straight up the hill from Hotel Post, and yeah, about an hour later you end up here. I mean, look at this place. This is high and crazy. The best part about hiking in Europe though is you get to these restaurants and they got beer for you. You love that. Can't beat a nice cold Cardinal draft. Freaking rad. That's the town right there. Look at it, Zermatt. Doesn't look very big from up here, I'll tell you. But it's actually a busy, bustling, crazy city now. It's really starting to fill in with so many people. All right, heading down. We got Frosty up there after a good hard sweat on our way up. Sitting up there, I freaking freezing my butt off. That thing was frosty. I also chugged a beer and, you know, the clouds came in a little more. Usually this is a beautiful day hike where the sun's out and the gorgeous weather and there's 500 people up here on the deck. But I like it. It was quiet today. It's really kind of the way we like it. I just, you know, having a little sun's always nice. I'm just gonna try not to pop a knee, sprain an ankle, or take a tumble on the way down this bad boy. Well, we made it up and back a couple hours. It's like 4:30, 4:45.
Had some cake.
Had some cake, had
Coffee
a beer.
with Bailey's.
Got to see a waterfall and a nice ravine area that looked like, I don't know, a bunch of avalanches ran through there this winter. We got to sweat.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a little chill. Got to cuddle up with some blankets. It was actually pretty nice.
It was nice. It was
yeah,
sweet.
Edelweiss. Check it out.
Carrot cake was homemade.
That's right. Pretty good spot to go to, I think. You know, that's not a bad little hike if you're in Zermatt. It's drastic a little bit if you're out of shape. We are a little. So, but it was great nonetheless. So, yeah, highly recommend it. Yeah, I give that one a 4.5 stars for just good
Actually,
quality
5.
hike.
I really liked it. Yeah.
Well, and then you have a place at the end of the road that serves beer, so maybe a 5 is
And
high.
the beer wasn't that expensive.
No, not at all.
Compared to the town, I thought it would be crazy because
it
they
was
have to
8
fly
Swiss
everything in there.
8 Swiss francs for a
beer.
for a half liter of beer, so that was pretty good.
9 for cake.
Yeah.
So that was a little pricey.
Yeah, but that's Switzerland for you. Wait till we start running through the prices on what everything costs. You guys will be like, holy moly. Probably one of the most expensive cities in the world. But yeah, that's about it. We're gonna run back into town and just kind of stroll around a little bit. We might do the Swiss Army knife purchase or run back and check on Samara. She hasn't been feeling well today. That's why she wasn't joined us on this hike. She's kind of got a runny nose thing we thought was allergies, and we're not really quite sure if it's allergies or if it's
Our son and so what did we learn from this? You better check where your hotel is located so you don't have to carry all the suitcases up
a massive hill
on the Airbnb or something.
Zermatt, holding it down, staying beautiful as always. That natural Swiss style is just ever present all over. Between the architecture and the woodworks and the public spaces, it's really, really beautiful here. Be warned though, if you come, you may not see the Matterhorn if it ends up being cloudy. We've been here for 4 days now, and it is still hiding back there. Got a little morsel of it yesterday, just a touch. We're open tomorrow as the day. We may stay another one, and just to see it, just to show the kids, because it is beautiful to see. But yeah, Zermatt, it's great. Well, this is what it looks like when the sun's out. Look at that gorgeousness. Amazing, beautiful day. Heading up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we get to watch it take off probably, so this will be fun. There you go, babe. There you go. Carry it down for him. You're the pack mule. That's it. Nice work.